Hey, it's Amaranthine, you can call me Robin, and today we are reacting to more of EXO Live. So last time I reacted to EXO, it was, I believe the Election. Some informants said they did at Election. This time, I'm not sure if it's still Election. I did not do my research before starting this, actually. No, it's Exordium this time. So we are reacting to White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. Now, full disclosure, before I get into this video, I know a lot of you have probably clicked on this, expecting me to freak out over Artificial Love, because you expect me to see it for the first time. No, I've seen this video before. I've seen it a couple times. I've seen it a lot of times. Not this entire one, I don't think, but I've seen Artificial Love, like the performance of that, a lot of times, and my soul left my body the first time I saw it, and left my body again the second time I saw it, and then I think I might have died the third time, and I don't know what happened after that, so I don't know. But they didn't have to. We're gonna start the video, and I'm gonna talk about it as we watch. But they really did not have to go that hard. That's all I'm saying. They didn't need to. They didn't need to. But yeah, Artificial Love is one of my favorite songs by them. Even without the performance, just a really good song. Well, I don't know if I'd say it's my favorite now I'm thinking about it. I have a lot of favorite songs by EXO. They make a lot of good music. Did you guys know that? But it's definitely a really, really good song. So is like White Noise, Thunder, Playboy. And I don't know if I've seen Playboy live, but I don't think I'm ready for all the whispering vocals. I don't know. But this was recommended by one of you in the last video, so I'm getting into it today. So let's just hop right into it. Again, I'm just going to keep reacting to EXO because I need to react to more of EXO, especially EXO Live. So please keep recommending stuff in the comments. I'm making a list, and I'm just going to start making my way down that list of reactions to them. So let's go ahead and get into this one. Okay, we're just gonna, wow. I'm not gonna pause, it's gonna be okay. I just wasn't prepared for Baekhyun. I forgot Lay's here. I thought I was ready for this. Turns out I'm not. Alright. How good this song is. I also love their outfits. Huge fan of combat boots in any scenario. Oof. These are all live vocals too. Why do they sound so good live? Wait, what? Wait. Wait just a second. Wait just a diddly darn second. Excuse me? Okay. Clearly, you know, I thought going into this, I'm like, it'll be fine. Like, I've already seen Artificial Love. Like, it'll be a lot, but it'll be fine. I've already seen it, you know? I have not seen this all of the... Guys, some of you may be new to my channel, right? And some of you may know why I'm freaking out, because I can't handle water scenes like this. When water is coming down on top of people while dancing, I can't handle it at all. A lot of people are like, well, why can't you handle a water scene? Because to me, a water scene is basically the equivalent of someone, like, of your favorite K-pop idol taking their shirt off. Like, it's the equivalent to me. Like, I don't know what it is about it, but it's a lot, and I can't handle it. So going into this video, I didn't know that we were going to be doing all of this. And I'm not prepared, and I really don't want to hit play. I didn't know we were getting into all of it. Is it on them? Like, sometimes, like, it looks like it's on them, but it's just, like, around them, and they're not getting wet themselves. Let's hit play and find out. I legitimately can't tell if it's on them or not. I think maybe it's not. That would be good. Alright, false alarm maybe. Maybe we're okay. I got very scared for a moment. Oh my goodness, the vocals. Ooh. I love how easily Jongin can like switch from like a soft vocal to like a really powerful. Okay. Oh, I think I have seen like this one before, like a long time ago. Yeah, because I remember that part. Or maybe this is that part of this performance. Yeah, I've only seen that part of the performance because it was super cute. Maybe it was in a funny video compilation or something. Okay. I like forgot how to breathe for a second. Okay. It's fine. That was so aggressive. Thunder is such a good song, oh my goodness. I'm gonna need Kai to stop smiling like that. I'm gonna need him to stop doing that. Okay, Lane. Okay. They hit me with the triple. I saw that. You can't just switch. Okay. Okay. See, I was talking about I didn't want this to be a video that I would pause in. I thought it would be fine. Did I just say like 5 minutes ago I wasn't gonna pause? What? Look at where we've come since then. I was talking about how they hit me with the Chanyeol and then Sehun and then Baekhyun triple because bias, bias, bias. And then they did bias, 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 wrecker, bias wrecking me. I can't with Kai smiling like that. Like I don't like. I can't. Listen, guys. At the time of recording this, I think that Kai's like teaser video for him in Super M just came out, but I saw the thumbnail for it and I was just like, excuse me. So going into this, I'm a little being bias wrecked. Okay, so we're just gonna continue. And oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try not to pause anymore. I'm so sorry. I'm not trying to pause. I just can't. Okay. This choreo is cool. Jesus Christ, Lay. If they had actually had like a proper water scene and like been wet while performing this, I would just end the video just to let you guys know. Like, no. What we're not doing is that, so thank goodness. This song is so good. I keep saying that on every song, but like, EXO has a lot of good songs. Yes. Baekhyun's voice in the song. There's so much body rolling happening. Jeez. Right, here we go. Alright, no pause challenge activated. Speaking of, I'm probably gonna do a no pause challenge with EXO in the future, so looking forward to it. It'll be fun. I feel like the Canes are just so much. If I saw it live in concert, I would fall to the floor and then be trampled. Like, anyone who has fan cams of this, how? Because I would not be able to stay still. The song is so much. Like, I'm sorry, but this is a song of bias wrecking. Woo. Smooth. He's just doing the most. Also, this lighting is not helping things. Okay. Wow. Then we have this part. Like, the two of them are just the most dangerous duo. This is so cool, though. Why does he have to take it off and smell like that? Like, honestly? Like, honestly, why? I'm honestly tired after watching them. Like, I'm tired. I want a nap. Oh god, that was tiring to my soul. Yeah. I mean, I feel like I'm just like a broken record in some of these like EXO reactions. Like, I feel like I'm just like, oh, they sing so well. Oh, they dance so good. Oh, this song is so amazing. And this is like, I don't know what else to say because every song, that's all I can say. So, I mean, I don't know. Hopefully you guys are having fun watching me react to EXO, even if I sound like a broken record, because all of their songs are amazing and they're super talented and I love their voices and I get bias wrecked constantly. So, yeah. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this. Feel free to leave some more recommendations, especially for like live performances, like concert ones like this, down below. I haven't seen a lot of them. This is just one of the few ones that I have seen. But yeah, I'll just be making my way through your recommendations and reacting to more EXO because I love them a lot and I need to do this more. Recommend me more stuff. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more EXO content and I will see you all later. Bye bye.